brace yourself for an adrenaline-fueled spectacle. The thunderous roar of powerful engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of towering trees crashing down in mere seconds. This is logging like you've never seen before. Pushing the limits of power and precision, this video takes forestry to a whole new level. Don't blink or you might miss the action. We're here where Garrett and Brennan are working with some hazardous trees in the Beach Creek fire near Gates, Oregon. Garrett is operating the West Coast Saw Steel 661C, while Brennan is holding the Style 066. These two are felling and bucking burnt wood on some really tough terrain. It's truly a test of skill as they navigate through this broken up land. No accidents today, but don't be fooled. Downed trees are hidden hazards ready to trip you up. Every fallen tree presents its own challenges, and in logging, one wrong step can turn things sideways fast. Stay alert. We're witnessing a challenging situation in the mountains. One TT4 has a track off and can't move, but it still keeps pulling massive logs down the slope. Meanwhile, a second TT4 steps in, ready to assist, using its immense power to pull the stranded machine out of this tough terrain. This is a perfect example of strength, teamwork, and coordination, with both machines facing and overcoming the harsh challenges of nature together. Get ready for some real horsepower. Koga and Dave Benoit Montlaurier are about to show us exactly what these trucks are capable of. Who will win this epic battle? Wow, check this out. This guy built his own sawmill from scratch, and it looks deceptively simple. Just a bed frame, an engine, and a saw blade. But don't let that fool you because it works like a charm. The way it cuts through those logs is incredibly smooth, and you can tell this build is something special. The only thing that could make it even better? The log loading process. Adding a hydraulic or powered system there could really streamline things, taking this impressive build to the next level. It's a perfect example of ingenuity in action. The Ponce Ergo 8W is a powerhouse of strength and durability, ready to tackle the toughest forestry challenges day in and day out. Its harvester head is truly impressive, effortlessly handling even the largest trees with precision and efficiency. The intuitive, highly responsive controls make long hours of work feel smoother and less exhausting, giving you complete command over the machine. If you're in the market for a harvester that's powerful, reliable, and highly efficient, the Ponce Ergo 8W is a choice you simply can't overlook. Step into the heart of Cheshire, Oregon, where history, nature, and industry come together in a breathtaking display of forestry in motion. Here, a 38-year-old Douglas fir forest, planted with care back in 1984, now stands tall and ready for its first harvest. A moment nearly 4 decades in the making. Watch as these towering giants are carefully harvested, each log destined for a new purpose. Lumber for construction, chips for industry, and pulp for paper, fueling essential industries across the region. This is more than just logging. It's a powerful testament to sustainable forestry, a cycle of growth, harvest, and renewal, ensuring that these forests thrive for generations to come. This is where skill, experience, and the right strategy come into play. A hollow tree can be unpredictable, and there are a lot of unknowns hidden beneath that bark. Before we even think about making the first cut, we need a solid game plan and the right tools for the job. Safety comes first, precision is key, and teamwork is everything. This video showcases a controlled burn technique for stump removal, an ingenious and efficient method. By creating an internal combustion chamber and carefully managing airflow, the stump is gradually consumed from within, almost as if it vanishes into ashes on its own. This approach saves both time and effort compared to traditional excavation, making it especially useful for large or deeply rooted stumps. However, the most crucial aspect remains strict adherence to safety precautions and local regulations to ensure that this method is carried out safely and effectively. These drivers not only demonstrate exceptional skill, but also possess an iron will. Facing danger every single day requires extraordinary courage, something not everyone has. For them, this is more than just a job. It is dedication, passion, and an unyielding spirit in the face of challenges. They truly deserve our respect and admiration. New Zealand alder. Now that's truly premium timber. I've been in this industry for a long time, and it's rare to come across such outstanding specimens. Crawler tractor skidding is a classic method, but there's no denying its effectiveness. Watching this crew work, it's clear they not only have the skill, but also the dedication, showing respect for the trees and prioritizing safety at every step. This craft may be fading, but it's heartening to see it alive and well here. Practice the right way. This mighty tree once stood tall, a silent guardian of the land. But deep below the surface, hidden from sight, disaster had already struck. A fire had crept into its very roots, weakening its foundation, sealing its fate. There was no saving it, only one option remained. The chainsaw roars to life, slicing through wood that once thrived, now doomed by forces beyond control. The tension builds, every second bringing us closer to the inevitable. transport is a tough and perilous endeavor, where danger is ever present and the risks are woven into every step of the journey. A fully loaded Mercedes-Benz truck, stacked high with timber, is making its way through a narrow, unforgiving forest path. Every turn is a test, every inch demands precision. But ahead lies the real challenge, a tiny wooden bridge, barely spanning the gap over the forest floor. We are witnessing an important advancement in the forestry industry with the new Deere 1470E, a powerful machine typically used in thinning applications. Today, we are conducting a special test, evaluating the accuracy of the H290 processing head when handling long logs. Can this machine meet the high standards of precision and performance?